I will not diet. I will not stop eating burgers just to lose weight. You will not wake up early. You will not wake up on time, even with 10 alarms. He will not share. He will not let anyone touch his fries. She will not stop talking. She will not pause for even a second during the conversation. We will not exercise. We will not go to the gym, but we will buy gym clothes. They will not finish the movie. They will not make it past the first 10 minutes without falling asleep. It will not work. It will not work the moment I need it the most. I will not remember. I will not remember my password right when I need it. You will not eat just one. You will not stop at one cookie. You will eat the whole pack. He will not clean his room. He will not pick up his clothes, even if the floor disappears. She will not ignore gossip. She will not pretend she isn't listening when people gossip. We will not arrive on time. We will not leave early, but we will blame the traffic. They will not stick to the plan. They will not follow the plan and will change it last minute. It will not charge. It will not charge until I need to leave the house. I will not stop scrolling. I will not stop watching funny videos until my battery dies. You will not just look. You will not enter a store just to look. You will buy something. He will not text back. He will not reply until 3 days later. She will not hear you. She will not hear you because she has her headphones on. We will not survive without Wi-Fi. We will not last a day without an internet connection. They will not stop complaining. They will not stop whining even if they get what they want. It will not stay clean. It will not stay clean for more than 5 minutes. I will not save money. I will not stop buying unnecessary things online. You will not resist cake. You will not say no to dessert, even if you're full. He will not remember your name. He will not recall your name even after being introduced twice. She will not walk slow. She will not walk at a normal pace. She will run like she's in a race. We will not stay quiet. We will not keep our laughter in during a serious moment. They will not stop snacking. They will not leave the kitchen until the snacks are gone. It will not load. It will not work the moment I really need the internet. I will not drink just one coffee. I will not survive the day with just one cup of coffee. You will not finish your to-do list. You will not complete your tasks, but will add more to the list. He will not wear matching socks. He will not notice his socks don't match until he's in public. She will not say no to gossip. She will not ignore a juicy story, even if she pretends to. We will not stop buying useless things. We will not need anything, but will still buy everything. They will not call back. They will not return the call, but they will text, "Did you call?" It will not make sense. It will not make any sense, but we will laugh anyway. I will not stick to my budget. I will not resist a sale, even if I'm broke. You will not stop singing. You will not stop singing the same song for days. He will not take out the trash. He will not throw the trash until it overflows. She will not admit she's wrong. She will not agree even when she's clearly wrong. We will not choose quickly. We will not decide what to eat for at least an hour. They will not hear the alarm. They will not wake up until the third alarm rings. It will not stay charged. It will not last more than 30 minutes after I unplug it. I will not just watch one episode. I will not stop watching until I finish the whole season. You will not stop laughing. You will not breathe properly because of how funny it is. He will not follow the recipe. He will not measure anything and just hope for the best. She will not text first. She will not message you first, even if she wants to. We will not take a normal photo. We will not pose seriously. We will make funny faces instead. They will not return my pen. They will not give it back and pretend it was theirs. It will not stop raining. It will not stop until I forget my umbrella. I will not sleep early. I will not go to bed on time, even if I say I will. You will not say no to free food. You will not refuse free snacks no matter what. He will not check the price tag. He will not check the price until after buying it. She will not survive without coffee. She will not function until she has caffeine. We will not stop talking about food. We will not stop thinking about dinner while still eating lunch. They will not forget that embarrassing moment. They will not let you live it down. I will not stop procrastinating. I will not start my work until the last minute. You will not find matching socks. You will not find two matching socks, no matter how hard you try. He will not stop making dad jokes. He will not resist telling a bad pun at every opportunity. She will not walk past a mirror without looking. She will not ignore her reflection, even for a second. We will not leave on time. We will not be ready even if we start getting dressed early. They will not take a serious selfie. They will not pose normally. They will make silly faces. It will not stop buffering. It will not load until I refresh the page 10 times. I will not resist a nap. I will not stay awake after lunch, no matter what. You will not drink enough water. You will not remember to hydrate until you're thirsty. He will not survive without snacks. He will not last an hour without eating something. She will not stop singing in the shower. She will not care if people can hear her concert. We will not choose a movie quickly. We will not decide on a movie before scrolling for an hour. They will not stop talking about their pet. They will not go 5 minutes without mentioning their dog. It will not rain until I step outside. It will not start raining until I forget my umbrella. I will not stop pressing snooze. I will not wake up when my first alarm rings. You will not resist petting a dog. You will not walk past a cute dog without saying hi. He will not close the fridge properly. He will not notice the fridge door is open until it's too late. She will not answer calls but will text back instantly. She will not pick up the phone but will reply in 2 seconds. We will not remember where we parked. We will not find the car without wandering for 10 minutes. They will not admit they are lost. They will not ask for directions even if they are clearly lost.